Good evening, sir. This is Ashmalani of Karunya University CST department. This is my ninth lab experiment. The experiment is about intermediate communication by using pipes. So the first program is write a C++ program to implement team pipe. Process 1, creating a pipe and write a string to pipe. Process to open the pipe, read the string and display the number of vowels in the string. So now for this I have written a code vi space 9am dot c. Now I'll start the program like this. These are the all the header files in the program. This is the main. I'll start the program by main, then I'll initialize character string has the length of the string is 100, int id, int fd, int rd and int I. Now there is a algorithm for pipes. The algorithm syntax is id is equal to mk node whatever you have to write text files, the number how many type you have to give, and then which type of you want, front in first in first out or last in first out. So for this I have written over here id is equal to mk node sample dot text 066 s underscore in if 0. Now I have again initialized this is to create. Now I have to open the file. For opening the file I have a syntax called as fd is equals to open sample dot text o underscore read write. Now after opening I have to read the file. So rd is equals to read fd comma str comma 20. Now I'll print read completely, reprintf read number of vowels. For I is equals to 0, I less than string length string I plus plus. Now if string I is equal to a, or string I is equal to e, string I is equals to I, or string I is equal to 0, or string I is equal to u, or string I is equals to a, these are in capital letters and these are in small letters. Now the program over here is first I'll create a file, then I'll read the file, then I'll open the file, and then I'll read the file, and then I'll check that if the string name whatever I'm passing it with whether it has a vowel. If it has a vowel, it will display in capital letters. Now I'll run the program and I'll show you the output for the first subdivision. So now you can see enter the string. I am giving the enter the string has harsh, then reading completely, read number of vowels is 1 because a is only a vowel over here, so it is giving number 1. Now I'll show you the second subdivision of this program. Yeah, now you can see these are the header files. This is the main function. In the main function I'm starting like this. I'm then initializing the values int fd of 2 and n bytes id count is equal to 0, int child pid character string 100, character rb 100. Now id, this is for the unnamed pipe. The unnamed pipe syntax is id is equal to pipe fd. If id is equal to 0, pipe length printf pipe created, else printf pipe not created. Printf enter the string, scanf it will scan the skin, then we'll write the string what we have given. So fd of 1 string length string plus 1. If child pid is equals to fork is equals to 0, then printf child process parent process get parent id, get parent child id, n bytes is equals to read. This is all. Now here it can see here whatever the string we have given, so it will show it will give a for condition. For condition is I is equals to 0. If I is less than size of rb, I increment. So if rb of I is equals to a, or rb of I is equals to e, rb of I is equals to I, rb of I is equals to 0, o, ibr of I is equals to u, rb of I is equals to top upper. This is the syntax for displaying the vowel in the string to an uppercase, that is to upper. Rb of I count C++. then printf received string, else print parent process return. This is the second program. Now I'll run the program and I'll show you the output for this program. Now you can see pipe created a string. Now I am giving a string called as a Harsh again. Now you can see the parent process is 4407, child process is 4407. This parent process 4407 is for the previous program, because there we are creating a process 1, and in the process 2 it is getting the process 1 parent id, and then in second program also we are creating the child process and the parent process. So child process is 4407, 4409, parent is 4407. Receive string is Harsh. You can see what I have given here, but you can see over here A is in capital letters because it is a vowel. The program is all about creating a file in which it will give a string and it will be displayed, the vowels will be displayed in capital letters. This is all about my 9th lab experiment. Thank you very much for watching my video.